Yo guys, what's going on? I am George and this is You Wanna Watch. Welcome back to the shop and welcome back to another project. Today we're going to be cleaning up the vintage cast iron lawn sprinkler. I say without any further ado, we jump right into it. Let's go. Alrighty guys, let's get a good quick look at this beautiful vintage cast iron and brass sprinkler. This thing is awesome. I do have a little love affair for sprinklers. I don't know why. It's just one of those things that I collect and I really do enjoy it. This one is unmarked. I don't see any maker's marks on here at all. Usually there would be something along the base. I have a Craftsman that looks almost exactly like this, but it says Craftsman along the base. This one says nothing, so I don't know. Again, that Craftsman's got the same color green, but this is like a generic green anyway, so kind of really hard to go by that. So hopefully when we start pulling this apart and we start cleaning it up, we can find some sort of identifying marks. So I say we jump right into it. Let's go. Kind of dinged the brass up a little bit, but that's what happens when a bunch of funk up in there. Maybe I shouldn't have used this wrench. Maybe I should have cleaned it first. I can't get it off there. Yeah, I probably should have cleaned it before I did anything, right? Should have just went with my trusty Rigids. Well, the little 2.5-inch nipple is off there. Alright. Alrighty guys. I'm going to try and find a hex drive, get that out of there, pop that seat loose, pull this off, clean it up. Inside of here, I don't know if that's going to show up or not, but there is a bunch of gummy stuff in there plugging this all up. I don't know what it is. Doesn't look good. Look at that. A big old blobby, boogery, nasty thing. I gotta get a rag. Yeah, I have no idea what that is. Well, it's a little bit cleaner in there now. I don't see any writing on this. Well, I think I know what that gummy stuff was in there. Probably the original washer right out of the way. Got jammed up in there. Then somebody put this in there. This thing started to fail. Boy, that's just junk. Let's see if we can't get this seat threaded out. Hope we can. Make it a lot easier to clean. Well, I'm still looking for Allen key to fit this, or my seat set. I don't know where I put my seat tools. I looked all over the place, can't find them. So in the meantime, I guess we're gonna clean this out on the wire wheel. I'll take you over there. We'll go check that out. Take this off real quick. Nylon washers need cleaning. That's gunked up. Alright. Well, we're going to do what we can, like I said, to try and clean this brass up and get it looking good. Let's take it to the wire wheel. Well, I found a maker's mark. I still got to finish cleaning this up. I don't know if that's going to show up, but that says Craftsman. That's the first one I've ever seen that didn't have it in bold print on the base. That's pretty cool. Alright, I'm going to finish cleaning this up. That is absolutely cool. I don't know if that's going to show up, fellas. Craftsman. Well, sweet. I'm quite happy with that. I'm very happy. Very, very happy. This washer needs to be cleaned big time because that fits right on top of there, and that's our little friction washer. So the impeller can spin free and not have to worry about being jammed up. So we're going to throw us some probably gum cutter on this. Do I have any gum cutter? Yeah, got a little bit left. Just want to get the funk off it. Don't want to bend it, because once it gets bent, that's it. This thing will never work again. It's got a slight groove in it. That's probably from the funk that's been in it for so long. Nice. That should work. Alright, we're going to start buffing on this. Wire wheel this up. Alrighty, I got the bulk of the nastiness off this. That's just what I can get with my big wire wheel. I'm going to go over it with some Scotch-Brite wheels, and we'll see what that does. Alright, well, for the most part, this is done. I didn't want to go over the top with this. I just wanted to get a nice brassy shine to it. This thing's just going to oxidize up anyway, and but at least I got the 60, 70, 80 years worth of crap off this thing. So I'm quite happy with that. Next we're going to take these nylon washers off here. This is like a graphite almost washer. We're going to clean this seat up real quick. Okay? Give me a minute. Alright, so we got that back on there. That's absolutely awesome. I'm happy with that. It's not reverberating. It's running smooth and true. We're golden. Cool. Now, I gotta find an Allen key that'll fit that. I've been looking all over the place. I can't find one. Because I want to get this hose connector taken off here. I want to get that off. So let me do some more scouting around. I'll see what I can find. Give me a couple of minutes. We'll see if we can't get that out of there. Alright, well, we got it cleaned up good enough. I couldn't get the seat out of there, so instead of trying to like force it and ruin it, I'm just going to clean up the outside. We'll tape this off, take it to the wire wheel, we'll clean it all up, and we'll get it ready for paint. So let's take this to the wire wheel. Alright, well, we got the bulk of the paint off there. Let me go tape this off, and we'll prime it and paint it. Alrighty guys, red apple time. Just going to put a real thin coat on, then we'll go over it with a second coat. Alrighty guys, well this is all dry. Let's get the tape off this. There we go. Put our new hose washer in there. This thing is really rubbery and supple. It's going to be perfect for this. Nice. Kind of buried that one, but you know what? I'm alright with it. I just don't want anything to leak. A little bit of tape showing out of that, but that's okay too. Let's give me the overall, see what it looks like. Not bad, right? Kind of curious. I'd like to take it out to the yard, but it's raining right now. So let me give this a little bit more time to cure up. Hopefully the rain will lead off a little bit, and we can take this outside and test it out. Oh yeah, buddy, she's a worker. I'm getting the whole front yard with that. Alrighty guys, well we are all done with this one. Who knew? It's a Craftsman. This thing came out absolutely awesome. It works like a champ. Look at a beautiful spin on that. It looks really good in the yard working. This thing has so much of a broadcast distance. All I need to do is move my garden hose twice and I got full front yard coverage. That is awesome. That's what I've been looking for. Quite happy with this. I hope you guys are too. Like always, stay safe, be safe, and we will see you next week with another.